Hi, I'm Kavitha ji. I'm from Bangalore. I did my graduation in STBT Institute of Technology with an aggregate of 65.05%, and I got job in L&T Infotech company. Pyspiders is the best institute to learn, and where we have a non-technical students can learn easily. And it's a very good platform to freshers to build a career, and my technical skills and communication skills are very well, and presentation classes helps me a lot. Jeevita ma'am taught me Python in a very easy way, and sir teaching was very good, and so her sir teaching was very well, and main thing HRs are very supportive and cooperative. Thank you.